Several times a week, a train loaded with containers runs between the TMA terminal in the port of Amsterdam and a diversity of terminals in the port of Rotterdam. Because why clog the roads with trucks when a train can do the job? We prefer a transport method that is more efficient and better for people and planet. One train replaces approximately 100 trucks. This modal shift from road to rail brings us closer to our goal of creating more sustainable ways of transport. Join the modal shift, skip the lane, ship by train.